Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and this is just a quick little PSA talking about lava lamps, more specifically my experience buying lava lamps from the Lavalamp people recently back in December. And that is, occasionally when purchasing a lava lamp, you can get one with bad wax in it, because a lava lamp just runs on paraffin wax that's heated up inside of a pressurized container, and then as it cools, it slumps up and down inside of the tube. But occasionally you get one that they refer to as having lazy wax or bad wax, and that's exactly what I ran into. There's really nothing particularly bad about this, it's just a little bit inconvenient that you have to return and replace the product. But essentially what happens with bad wax lava lamps is that, well, they just don't perform the way that they're supposed to. They don't heat up within the allotted amount of time, or sometimes they need additional help to heat up, like the one that I purchased. I had to use a little hairdryer on it so that it would actually heat up correctly. And they often look really cloudy, and the wax isn't necessarily the right color. So in my little preview video here, you can see the one on the right is the properly made lava lamp with white wax in a blue liquid that is bubbling up and down. The wax kind of looks like a whitish blue, and the liquid looks pretty cloud-free, aside from the little daubs of wax that are floating around. And the one with lazy wax has got kind of like a greenish, kind of snotty look to the wax. It doesn't flow nearly as quickly or as uniformly as the other one, and it actually took it twice as long to heat up as the good one, and previously I actually had to use a hairdryer on it to try and get it to heat up at all. It would just sit there for 8+ hours, not do anything, and that's when I figured there's probably something wrong with this lava lamp, because I've had a couple before, but they didn't behave quite like that. So this is just a quick little PSA about lazy wax in lava lamps. If you have a lava lamp that it's not performing correctly, it's not heating up within the allotted time that they specify in the lava lamp instructions, then you're going to want to try and get that replaced either through Amazon or wherever you bought it from, because it is just a defective one. It happens once in a blue moon. I'm told it's very rare, but sometimes you just get unlucky. Otherwise, I've been pretty happy with my Lavalamp brand lava lamp. There's literally only one game in town for good lava lamps anymore. I used to have one from a company called LightFX that slowly went bad, and the wax started sticking to the sides. They're not really around anymore unless you want to buy a used one, but this lava lamp, while not as big, it warms up real well, it looks real cool. I've not had any issues with the new model once I got it replaced. It looks cool. I like lava lamps. They're very relaxing and hypnotic. Would totally recommend if you're looking for just a fun little desk lamp. So that's it for this one. Have a good one, everybody, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!